Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Today was a wild day in the markets. Some of the stocks just went crazy. This gives me a good indication that now markets are bouncing back. Let's start with DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. I'm on the daily chart. Today market revisited the support area, that is 4,459. It bounced up from here. Closing is at 4,477 points. Throughout the day there was some volatility in the market. We are seeing volumes are increasing, number of trades are also going up. Next resistance, as we know, is at 4,500 points. Mind you, there are chances we may see a strong breakout with one single candle itself. Reason is, after this strong move to the downside, market took a pause and now it's gearing up for another leg to the upside. Strong area of resistance is at 4,455 points. Obviously on the way up there are minor resistance as well. Need of the hour is to break the previous swing high that was at 4,530 area. Still there are chances market may hit the resistance and come down for a deeper correction. Reason is we are not seeing a breakout of this area very soon. Market has spent around 5 days already. We saw a strong momentum. Now it's time for a breakout. In case if it's a breakout failure, then there are chances it may come down aggressively, revisiting 4,400 points and 4,361 points. I hope that does not happen. But looking at the current market conditions, the way stocks perform today, there are very good chances we may see strong upside momentum during this week itself. This is the daily chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. We are seeing very similar kind of reaction that we are seeing for the last 10 days. Market is going sideways. Best part is support zone is still intact at 9,245 points. Today's low was 9,252 points. It bounced up, closed at 9,275 points. I'm very positive with today's market condition. There are very good chances we may see a solid momentum to the upside. It can break this area of resistance and continue going higher. However, again, I would repeat the same scenario in case if it is a breakout failure, since market has not recovered 50% mark of this drop to the downside, then maybe we may see a fake breakout. It will break 9,245. It can even visit 9,160 points. I'm still positive with ADX market. As I keep mentioning, it's been going sideways. It's between resistance and support zone, so it's decision time. It's been ranging for the last 10 days and I think very soon it will make a breakout. Overall, ADX market still did not recover from this drop to the downside, but if we look at the previous scenario somewhere around here, when market starts accumulating, it spends around 10 to 15 days, and from here we saw upside momentum. Again the same scenario, that is 10 to 15 days pause, and from here again a big move to the upside. So I'm expecting similar kind of reaction here. Let the market go sideways better, but it should not break or close below this support of 9,245. Then there are very good chances we may see a strong momentum to the upside. It may even clear the resistance of 9,530 points. One of the best performer today in ADX market was Eshraq. It almost hit limit high. Closing is at 0.329. This is a solid green candle. Clearly it's confirming Eshraq has bottomed out and there are chances it may continue to the upside. The $1,000,000 question is, will Eshraq be the new apex? That is, it will continue going higher without any correction? Well, we really don't know. Well, first strength in this stock, we are already seeing it today. On the way up today, it broke 3 important areas of resistance. First was obviously 0.295 and then 0.310, that is strong resistance. Third resistance is at 0.320. In fact, it even broke 4th area of resistance right at the time of closing, that is 0.325. The main question is, tomorrow if it opens with a big gap up, should we buy or hold? This is the problem when we see a parabolic move to the upside, because we don't know whether it will come down for a correction or it will continue its upside momentum. If we don't take entry, then there are chances it may continue going higher and we will be left out. In case if we are taking a risk, then there are also chances it may come down aggressively. Maybe this was a fake out. So Let's play safe, let's have a proper plan. Tomorrow if it opens with a big gap up, then there are chances it may come down to visit the closing price or somewhere around 0.333. If it makes a U-turn from here, we will definitely buy this one. Take the entry around this zone that is below 0.340 and then let it continue its upside momentum. On the way up, you have to keep adding small quantities. Don't take big quantities. As I just mentioned, there are chances, if at all it's a fake breakout, it may hit the resistance and come down aggressively. The way we saw strong momentum to the upside, it can even come down more strongly. Scenario number 2, maybe it can print a pause candle here, right between 0.330 and 0.335. If that happens, then this would be a picture perfect scenario. We know after a strong momentum, market usually takes a pause and then continues its upside momentum. In this scenario, we will get a reference candle where we can put our stop loss and then we expect a continuation. This would be an ideal scenario for entry. Scenario number 3, in case if it opens with a small gap up or even a flat opening, then we have to plan small quantities here and we will look at the nearest support zone, that is 0.320. We will keep our stop loss around this area. In case if it goes up in our favor, then yes, we are riding the trend. In case if it comes down, then we will take our stop loss and exit. We will wait for a reference candle or let it come down to establish support at any of the important zones, and then we can take our positions. With moves like this, definitely it's risky, but at the same time it gives good money as well. A good example is Apex. When it broke out, it continuously went up for so many weeks and many of us were left out. So we never know, history can be repeated. Even Eshraq can be a new apex, it can continue going upside. The only worry is tomorrow if it opens with a gap down somewhere below today's closing price, then it will be confusing. If it opens with a small gap down, then it's fine, market will adjust, new buyers will jump in. Those who missed the rally right from the bottom, they will try and push the price higher or at least go sideways, so that coming days we can expect a continuation. But if it opens with a big gap down, then most likely it will be volatile. It may go sideways or it can come down to revisit any of the support zones. So similarly, Manazil also did the same, Dana did the same. You may plan it accordingly and take your positions. Overall, I think now it's very good time to take entries. Plan it accordingly. Most of the stocks will definitely give us such opportunities. The question is, are we ready? Have we planned it with our proper risk management and money management? For more detailed analysis and my stock recommendations, scan the QR code and join my YouTube membership. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.